Hello guys, I just want to say how how tired I am now. I'm really tired of this game because every match I can literally just give the ball like that and score easy goals by giving the ball to any player between the defense and I don't know, the ghost midfielders. They don't even exist, and just give the ball and just walk. Don't rush. If I go fast, yeah, it will be strange, but take a look at those players. They're just walking like they are in a garden, or I don't know what they are doing. Look, this is this is a midfielder. This is a midfielder. I don't know why is he marking this, but he's the one gonna score. And look how the wingers are just walking. They should be even defending as well. He's marking this one. Who the hell needs to mark this player? And I just give the ball. Let's back to the ball now. Just walk. Every match I literally do the same. Do not tell me something wrong with my, just because I know that it exists. That's why I pay attention. I mean, a lot of players say no, we don't have this problem. No, there is a problem, and if you do it and if you try it, you will see that they just let you do what you want. They just let you do what you want. So the guy who scores, actually, if I count how much percent have scored from this kind of mistakes, like 98% of my goals are just this way. I just because of the midfielders are not tracking, and I just walk like nothing is happening. I don't even feel the fact that they will take my ball. Really feel it's so easy to score. I mean, if I am complaining about something that never exists, okay, but at least in FIFA 19 or down by that, it was really hard even to have the intention to attack, not even attacking. FIFA 16 I could say was the best, I mean, tactically, but I just walk, and then this guy, I don't know what is his job. I mean, why do they even need to put him on? And just give the ball. Of course, none of the defense problem is that, because if you defend with them, so you lose. They should always keep just marking, but never anticipating your ball. This is the job of midfielders. Look how far the winger to get. Look how far it is. Oh my god. And just give the ball and score. I've never been sad scoring goals in my life. For the first time, I could say, no, for the second time, because FIFA 20 was the same, but with different way. FIFA 20 I can just run with the player and dribble all the team. I don't know why, but that was the same with FIFA 20. FIFA 19 I could say at least a bit better, but this one, okay, every match I can just pass the ball and score like that. People are telling me, why can't you play against legendary, because ultimate is strange, or I don't know what's wrong with it. Well, I played every match. I win against ultimate difficulty 3-0, and against how can I say, against legendary I can win 5 or more. So I'm really well, I mean, this guy is not his fault. Look how far the winger is. I'm really tired. Come on, I mean, make 2 gameplays, one for foot players and one for career mode players. Make 2 gameplays if you all considering not to lose vanilla boys. So okay, make for them this gameplay, but only in their ultimate mode, because I know you want to make players just buy the game and buy fast players and score goals, like every match finish like, I don't know, basketball scores. Yeah, okay, make 2 gameplays, but one should be like tough, because no tactic work here. Like I just give the ball to a player between the midfielders and defend, and okay, I score.